Go ahead. Go.
Hey, little mama.
What's up, bro?
All right.
Where you running to? Come over here. Come over here. All right, girl. Ready to hit the road? There's a lot of oxidation going on right now, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get rid of the oxidation and give my wheel a nice polish, man. So this is what I do. I'm just gonna hit it with some acid. So I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off. I'm not a professional polisher, y'all. I'm just an owner operator taking care of my unit, man. There it is, y'all. YouTube, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Just got loaded. About to roll out right now. But first I gotta feed my co-driver. She just had a bottle, but I don't have the bigger bottles today. Got the little one, so this is what I gotta do to make it work. As my camera outside just died. Let's see if I can fix it right now before I roll out, because if not, I won't be able to fix it. I actually ran out of storage. So let's see. Gotta delete some stuff. I'm pretty sure I got a bunch of stuff that I need to delete. Let's see. We can start with this one right here. It's 10 minutes, 13 minutes right there. What else? So I just got about 16 minutes if I can get some more. Hopefully there's nobody behind me. Nah. But I was trying to set my cameras up this morning, but I was running late, so I just got in the truck, man, and my foot was very heavy this morning. Not too heavy. I got my co-driver here with me, but I just freed up about 21 minutes, so that should be enough to get us back to Charlotte. And this video is going to be a little different. There's going to be some maintenance. I got to clean up my ride, man. It's that time of the year. You know, the weather is nice outside, so I got to clean it up. So I'm going to do some polishing. I got to wash. Also got to wash my trailer, too. So I'm going to wash the trailer tomorrow when I go down to South Carolina. Then I'm going to bring the truck home. I'm going to wash it myself. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And, show some love, man. And this section is a little busy right here. Stay in the middle. So I'm turning right here. So I gotta block both lanes. otherwise I can't make this turn. And even then, I barely made it. Somebody's excited. Look at her smiling. But I just pulled off to get some fuel. This is the cheapest fuel I've seen all morning. I believe it's $5.49. So I'm gonna get some fuel real quick. This load was picked up in Lexington. It's being delivered straight through Charlotte. So as soon as I get there, they're gonna kick it off. Still gotta go inside. Gotta go grab my receipt. For some reason, I wasn't able to print my receipt at the pump, so I guess I could take her inside. Go stretch her legs a little. Let's go for a walk. You ready? Let's go for a stroll. That ain't sounding good. Got some bad injectors. That's a misfire right there. Also had a lot of, whoops, come on girl. She's over here tripping already. Why you tripping, girl? You can't walk in your shoes? Come on. Drop your key in the drain now, Marv. See, that's what happens when you walk around in socks all day. Put some shoes on her feet and she act like she can't walk. Come on, let's go. Come on. What pump was that? Pump number 12. She's in training. That's my co-driver. Come on, girl, let's go. All right, go ahead, do your thing now. Go ahead. Go.
Hey, little mama.
What's up,
All
bro?
right.
Hey, buddy.
Maya, let's go. Come on, man. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. I just need a receipt on pump 12. Yeah. Appreciate it. Say hello. She's a daddy's girl. She said no. Alright, come on, girl. What's up, man? How you doing? Come on, girl. We gotta go. Well, you should be in the NBA, man. All right, Maya. You gotta watch out for these crazy truckers now. So first you gotta look left, look right. You gotta look, girl. That truck sounds good. That's because you got them little pipes back there. What's up, driver? Be careful now. She loves to run, man. She always want to run. This way. Truck's right there. Where you running to? Come over here. Come over here. All right, Maya. Back to prison now. She likes to be outside. I'm sorry, did I just punch you? I am so sorry. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to be back outside. Took them shoes off. Dirty shoes. got about an hour or so back to Charlotte. All right, girl. Ready to hit the road? Let me give you some more snacks. My hands are dirty now. My hands are dirty. Go ahead. Take them. More. Take this one. Take the big one. There you go. She'll figure it out. So I just bought like $300, man. And all I got was about 56, I believe 57 gallons. It's pretty wild. It's almost like 2022 all over again. All right, thank you. It's almost ready. Calm down. There you go. There you go. Hopefully it's not too hot. We're good. But currently I'm at the wrong place. So I gotta drive about 2 miles, maybe, roughly 3 miles to the other location. They were gonna take it right here, but they ain't got no space for it, so he just called the other guy, and he told me to bring it down there, so we gotta travel another 5 minutes or so. She's been fussy this whole ride down. She was hungry. These bottles are just way too small. She's a grown baby, so she's eating more. I try to keep her calm. Gave her 2 of these, but she wasn't having it. So obviously, I couldn't record with a screaming baby in the background. You need to calm down, little girl. What's wrong with you? She's hungry, man. But, I know where I'm going, so it's just right down the street. As soon as I make a left out of here, about a half a mile or so down the road, make a right, another mile, another half a mile, and we're there. just put a back up on that door right there. To open up my doors. Matter of fact, I guess I can open it right now. I'll be right back, all right?
Perfect.
So I'm just doing a trailer wash, a trailer washout. These guys do a phenomenal job, man. I was very impressed the last time I was here, so I'm back. This guy to my left, he don't like to be on camera, so I'm gonna turn my head this way. So my trailer's getting washed right now. If you go to Blue Beacon, that's extra right there. That's not included. I just got it back in on the other side for the washout. Last time I came here, it was late at night, but right now it's broad daylight. It's a little busy out here, so I gotta do it real quick. At least I could see in the daytime. Last time I couldn't see, I had to pull forward. Directly behind the trailer, I can't see him. I see what he wants me to do. He wants me to go a little closer. So I'm gonna polish my wheels when I go home. But actually, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna wash the truck today. I'm gonna try to grease the truck. I might just do it tomorrow. But this is exit 104 off the 85. 85 is right there in Blacksburg, South Carolina. They got a nice facility though. Last time I was here, this was under construction. We good?
Yes, sir.
Hey bro, it's all the cash I got on me, man.
All right, thank
Share
you
with
very
your
much.
buddies, all right? Appreciate you, man. So that was $92.25. The washout was 60 bucks. And exterior wash on my trailer was 30 bucks. And then I guess there's tax or a service fee. So I'm gonna be busy today. Let me flip this camera around so y'all can see. But y'all see what time it is, man. UConn versus Duke. Whoever wins, move on to the Final Four. So we gonna be busy. We gonna be in the living room having a blast. Hopefully, my Huskies come out on top. So yeah, today's probably not gonna be a good day to wash my truck. gave the truck a nice wash yesterday. And as y'all can see, I've already started to polish this wheel right here. But if you look at this one right here, I don't know if y'all can see it with the glare, but there's a lot of oxidation going on right now. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. Now I'm probably just going to record this one right here, but I'm going to show you guys what I do to get rid of the oxidation and give my wheel a nice polish, man. So this is what I do. This is just some aluminum cleaner, aluminum brightener. It's basically acid. So here's what I'm going to do. You can find this at Walmart, but I wouldn't recommend buying this at Walmart. It's way too expensive. I went by Walmart a couple days ago, and last year this used to be about 22 bucks. I went to Walmart a couple days ago, 49 bucks, y'all. So I went to Cabela's Bass Pro Shop. I was able to get it for about 23 bucks, so that's more like it. So this is what I do. I'm just gonna hit it with some acid. Now you wanna be careful. I should be wearing a mask right now because this stuff is very strong. Let me back up just a little because I could smell it right now. So I'm just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it off. It's gonna get rid of all that oxidation. It's gonna make it a lot easier to polish my wheels. Ugh, that stuff is strong, man. But this is what's in this bottle right here. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna rinse it off. So all the oxidation is gone, so it's gonna be much easier to polish this. So normally I would just let this dry on its own, but I got somewhere to be, so I gotta speed this up a little. So I'm just trying to get it nice and dry. So that should be good. So now, this is what I use right here. This is some Renegade Easy Red sprayable. But I've got quite a few. Matter of fact, let me let y'all see what's going on behind me. Oops, almost dropped my camera. But this is my little Renegade care package right here. So let's see, this is heavy cut. That's really good right there. This is ultra cut. I believe this is the same thing, heavy cut. This one is a pipe dream. This is for the stacks. And this is the Easy Red sprayable. This is what I'm gonna be using right now. It's almost done, so I'm just gonna finish it. But like I said, I wanna make sure this is dry first. So I'm just gonna spray a little on the wheel just like that, all the way around. That should be plenty. And then I'm gonna attach this just like this. And I believe I bought this at AutoZone. So this is going to speed up the process instead of doing it by hand. Oops. So it is time consuming, but that's what you signed up for. You signed up to be an owner operator. Now, this is where I'm gonna use a rag, and I'm gonna reach all these places where I couldn't reach with the drill. And normally I would remove the lug nut covers, but I'm not in the mood today, man. We're just gonna work around it. Also use a rag on the outer lip right here. This used to be the most time-consuming part right here. Like I said, man, shout out to Renegade, man. All these products y'all see me using, it's all from Renegade, man. They sent me a lot of stuff on TikTok. That's how easy it is. And I'm not a professional polisher, y'all. I'm just an owner operator taking care of my unit, man. I'm doing what works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me. This is the only one right here where I gotta manually use my hand to get in that little hole right here because the valve stem's in the way. And all these products are linked on my TikTok. If y'all go on my TikTok, I believe the playlist is called Renegade Products or Renegade Metal Polishing. I don't remember. But there's a playlist. And that's it, y'all. This should be done. So let's reveal that shine. So now I'm gonna use a clean rag and just give it a final wipe. So I know y'all see a big difference. This is my technique. This is what I do to upkeep my wheels. Like I said, y'all, I'm not a professional polisher. And I probably do this about 3, maybe 4 times a year. It keeps my wheels looking nice and shiny, just like this. Like I said, y'all, I'm not a professional polisher, but this is what works for me. And by the way, I don't use acid every single time, but it's been months since I've done this. The last time I did it was probably back in October, so it's been a while. But we're pretty much done. So I just gotta repeat this process for the rest of them. So let me give y'all one final look. So there it is, y'all. And shout out to Chemical Guys also. They sent me a package a couple days ago. So I'm gonna test out this tire shine right here, because I'm actually out right now. So far it looks good. Let me know what y'all think. How's it looking? And also, if you've ever used this before, let me know. So now I just got to finish up. On the flip side, it's nice and cool outside right now. It's not too sunny. It's about 75 degrees, but it's not too sunny, so it shouldn't be too bad. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys once I'm done. I'm trying not to make this video too long, so we're gonna cut it right here. Also gotta do my trailer too. And the trailer's a lot worse. It's been months since I've polished the trailer. So, see y'all once I'm done.